Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your headphones Philips from your Android device. You have to start by open settings and then go to connected devices. Right here click the settings icon near to your headphones at the device list. And right here at the right side we have a button what called disconnect. And we need to tap on it, but before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between disconnect and unpair. So when you select to disconnect your phone, it will stop Bluetooth connection with your headphones, but it leaves it at the device list. And when you select to unpair it, you click on it, you will totally remove your headphones from your phone. Now let's click on it, and now as you can see, we stopped Bluetooth connection with these headphones, but we still have it at the device list. And that's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!